And as we've discussed, pounds and pence is the British currency, okay? It is not the Qatari currency, because the Qatari currency is, yes, you've guessed it, Rials and dirhams. So let's try to answer question number 4. Work out the cost of each purchase, and this purchase is going to be 2 notebooks and a pen, and the change that I would get from £5. So the first thing I need to find out is, what is the cost of 2 notebooks and a pen? So it says here that the notebook is £1.80 and a pen is 75p. Aha! So here are my 2 notebooks, which happen to be 2 handwriting books from school. So here we have one notebook, which costs £1.80, and another notebook, which costs £1.80. Now remember that there are 100 pennies in £1, which means that in £1.80 there are 180 pennies. So the cost of 2 notebooks is 180 plus 180. Now, I also need to buy a pen, and my pen right there is 75p. Okay? And what am I going to spend it with? Well, it said that I have £5. And here is my money, £5, with the Queen of the United Kingdom there, shining resplendently, and we've got Big Ben as well. So this is a £5 note. And in this £5, this is the equivalent, this is the value of 500 pennies. 500 pence. So what is the cost of 2 notebooks? The cost of 2 notebooks, of course, is this. 180 plus 180. So using the column method, which I know a lot of you know how to do, you add the units together. 0 plus 0 is 0. I add the tens together. 8 plus 8, which is actually 80 plus 80, is 160. So I put 6 there, 6 tens, and I carry 100 of my tens, so I carry the 1 to here. And now I have 100 plus 100 plus 100, which equals 300. So I put the 3 there. Now, if you're not secure with the column method, which I know a few of you are still moving on to, you can use the expanded method. So once again, set it out. 180 plus 180 in the unit column, the 10 column, and the hundreds column. And then you do 0 plus 0, which equals 0. You do 80 plus 80, which equals 160, 160, and then the hundreds. 100 plus 100, which equals 200. And then we add these amounts. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 6 plus 0, which is actually 60 plus 0, is 6, or 60. And then 1 plus 2, which actually means 100, plus 200 equals 300. Therefore, the cost of these 2 notebooks here is 360 pence. but I need to buy the pen as well. And the pen is 75p. So I need to buy 2 notebooks and 1 pen. So what is the cost of 2 notebooks and 1 pen? Well, we know that 2 notebooks cost 360. And we know that a pen costs 75. So 0 plus 5 equals 5. 6 plus 7, which is actually 60 plus 70, equals 130. So we put the 3 there, and we carry the 100 to the hundreds column, and then 100 plus 300 equals 400. 435. Now if you want to do it using the expanded method, we do it like we did before. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 60 plus 70 equals 130. We can count up from 70 if we struggle with there, and just count 6 from 70. 60 from 70, counting up in tens. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and I can't get my other finger up at the same time, so the 6th one is 130. And then finally, we've got 300 plus nothing, which equals 300. And now we add these up.